guys, how are you today? I am just coming to you very quickly to do a flip through of this album that I created for my mom, capturing our baby's first Christmas. My goal was to finish it by November. Today if you're viewing it, you know, on the same day that it's been posted, but I finished it a couple weeks ago because I really enjoyed working on it and going through all the memories from last year, and I thought it was just so exciting to do that. I loved using bits and pieces of various kits from over the years and bringing them all together. I love how this came out with the back of the houses on one side and the trees on the other side. And then I also used my Citrus Twist kits, Jingle All the Way kit, which has bits of mix and mingle as well, so that was quite fun. And I loved doing these pages with all the green bits and pieces that came together nicely. And so, you know, as much fun as I had creating this, it was a labor of love, and it was beautiful, and I really couldn't wait to dig into this year's stuff and start creating. So I really enjoyed this collage. I don't really work with the page protectors very much, so I am having to figure out the best adhesive for some things, but in the end I decided to just keep it really nice, simple, capture the moments, and ensure that this is at the end of gift giving on Christmas Day when he started to get a bit tired. But this is really all of it. So I hope you enjoyed my quick flip through of the album. If you're looking to do the project maybe for the first time, or you're just wanting a simple way to do the project, I highly recommend just using, you know, the page protectors, journal cards, literally what the kids have in it. I typically do outside of the page protector pages now. This is one of my favorite stars. I'm gonna have to stick this back. But it was quite fun using the page protectors, and just reminding myself that too is great. I love doing some flip ups as well as flip outs, and just kind of using these as shaker pages and whatnot. But yeah, so this is the first album completed. I am halfway through the other 2 or so albums. One of them I would need to complete by the new year to give to my in-laws before they head back home after Christmas holidays. And the third one I would just take my time next year and do work on it, because it's for us. So that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed my little video. Have fun. Feel free to like and subscribe to my channel, and comment below with any questions you have. And you can also pop on over to Instagram, where I share very often about my progress with my current December daily album and everything I'm creating. Take care. Bye.